Okay, so number 4 on page 31 says that the radius is 2 6/10 centimeters. It still is finding area of a circle. And my formula is the same, A equals pi r squared. I write my formula A equals pi r squared, and when I estimate, what can I use for pi? When I estimate, what can I use for pi? 3. Thank you. One person has arrived. And my radius for number 4 says it's 2.6, but again, I'm estimating, so what can I change that to?
3.
Yeah, I'll round to 3, and that needs to be squared. Okay, I'm going to square 3, which is 3 times 3. That's 9. And then it's 3 times 9. What's 3 times 9? 27. And my answer is 27 centimeters squared for my estimation. Are we okay on that part? For the actual answer, it's not real different, but we still have the same formula, A equals pi r squared. My radius, now don't be confused and use 3. Make sure you go back to the original problem, and the original problem says it's 2.6 or 2 6/10. Okay, on an older calculator, this is what you're going to do. You have to know that the first part of order of operations is to do the exponents. So I'm going to push 2.6 times 2.6, and I got 6 and 76/100ths. Now what do I do with 6 and 76/100ths? Once I've multiplied 2.6 times 2.6, what do I do with this number? No, I'm not going to round yet. What do I still have to do in my problem? Multiply by what? Am I going to use 3 on this one? Yeah, I have to use 3.14, right? So I would take 6.76 and multiply by 3.14, and that gives me 21.22. And the directions say to round to the nearest tenth. So what's my answer if I round to the nearest tenth? Well, watch. This is my tenths place, so I look to its right neighbor. This 2 is less than 4, so does it change this 2 right here? No. But it does get rid of that next 2. So if it says round to the nearest tenth, then you normally have a number in the tenths place. So my area is 21 and 2/10, and what are my units? Centimeters? Thank you. Centimeters squared, because area is always squared. And then you look to see, am I reasonable in my estimation? If you think you are, then put yes. If you don't, then, explain why you think you could have done a better job.